Para po sa lahat ng mga naninira sa aming mahal na pastor, Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, mga sinungaling kayo. Kami dito ang totoong witness because kami ang nandito ngayon kasama namin si Pastor. Actually, buong pamilya ko nandito na po sa kingdom. Yung anak ko, pinapaaral ni Pastor. Provided po yan lahat. From notebook to uniform. Hindi na nga namin alam kung magkano ang kilo ng bigas ngayon. Because may tagaluto na kami. Tapos sasabihin nyo na human trafficking. How dare you? Alam nyo sa puso nyo na hindi totoo yung mga sinasabi nyo. Magsisi kayo. Makonsensya naman kayo. Para naman po sa aming mahal na pastor. Pastor, count me in po. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. And we are willing to lay down our life for you, sir.
Paano binago ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy ang buhay ko? Pastor, thank you for your love, your goodness, your mercy, your compassion towards me. Though I am not worthy, Pastor, but you let me in. You accept me, even though there are things that I fail you. Pastor, I am not worthy of your goodness, your compassion, Pastor. Without Pastor in my life, I am truly nothing. When I heard the message of our beloved Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy, I am changed from within. In a sinful way into a righteous way. I only find Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy a true love, goodness, compassion, and mercy. Pastor, you can count on me, sir, no matter what. Until the last drop of my blood, sir, I am willing to lay down for you. Pastor, we are grateful and forever and thankful because we hear you. We found you, Pastor. Thank you for everything. No matter what it takes. Until the last breath of my life, Pastor, I will give it to you.